Hello, welcome to PlantTube channel.
Hey there, YouTube garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a journey back to April 10th, 2021, when I started my cucumber seed project. It's been an amazing journey, and I can't wait to share it with you. On April 24th, I recorded a time-lapse video of the germination process. It's incredible how quickly these cucumber seeds sprouted. Just a few days later, on April 28th, my cucumber seedlings had their first leaves. Take a look at this image. They were small but full of potential. Fast forward to the next step in the journey. Here's a video of me transplanting these seedlings into larger pots. It's crucial to give them room to grow. This is the paper cup I will be using. As can be seen, there are several holes underneath the paper cup for drainage. Unfortunately, there is no real easy way to remove these seedlings from their seed tray. We need to try to remove the seedling with as much soil as possible, without dislodging the roots. A very nice, well-developed root system should grow well. Here I can be seen adding 1/4 of soil to the cup. This allowed the plants to have more room to grow and develop their root system. And then finally top them up with additional soil. You might be thinking, that's all very well and nice, but will there be any cucumbers for harvesting? Keep watching as the plot thickens. Never pull seedlings out from their roots, always use scissors to cut away the weaker plant. Now at this stage you're probably wondering why transplant to a paper cup and not transplant directly to a final destination, such as a raised bed or in the ground. Well, the truth of the matter is I don't have available space to plant them in any of those two options at that current moment. Also, I like the ability to move them around to sunny locations when I need to. In this video, we will be making more transplanting when necessary, and only then will I move them to their final destination, which will be included in this video. Finally, I gave them a good watering to start them off on their growing journey. By May 1st, my cucumber seedlings had adapted to their new environment in the garden, shaded by the trees. On May 4th, I recorded another video clip. This time, it's me showing the root system of these cucumber seedlings, and transplanting them into their final destination, a raised bed. Couldn't be any better, don't you think so? Now, keep watching, you'll be glad you did as the plot thickens. Although this is fun, it's also hard work, but what is really tedious and frustrating, it's all that time I will need to edit all of these clips together in a somewhat decent presentation. The things I do for my subscribers. Now, look at the raised bed on May 8th. My cucumber plants have adapted beautifully to their new environment. They're growing strong. On May 15th, I added bamboo stakes to support my growing cucumber plants. This image shows how I'm helping them climb and stay sturdy, even as they start producing male and female flowers. By May 22nd, my cucumber plants had grown over 1 meter tall and started producing their first cucumbers. Look at this image, it's incredible. On May 29th, I couldn't wait to show you how nicely my cucumbers were forming. I even started harvesting some of them. Some were smaller than others and needed more time to develop. And here's an image of a small stool where I placed some of my freshly harvested cucumbers. They're looking delicious. On June 5th, the cucumber vines were loaded with cucumbers. Here's another image showing the abundance in my garden. And look at this close-up of a cucumber, it's a pickle variety. The detail is just amazing. June 10th, I couldn't resist showing you how I harvest these cucumbers. It's a satisfying process. Moving on to June 19th, I found a cucumber turning yellow because it was overripe. Nature's way of telling me it's time to harvest. Here's the same cucumber on June 28th, completely yellow but still on the vine. Isn't it interesting to see how cucumbers change as they ripen? And finally, on July 18th, I recorded a video showing a close-up of me cutting open an overripe cucumber, revealing the many seeds inside. I'm sure the taste of this cucumber will be quite bitter now. I will remove all of these seeds and let them dry out, and hopefully I could use these for next year. That's it for our cucumber journey. If you've enjoyed following along, I have a Buy Me a Coffee account. Your small donations can help me fund more exciting projects like this one. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all my gardening adventures. Until next time, happy gardening. Before you go check out my other videos, there is something for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced gardener.
Feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you have found this video of interest, and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.